Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to give my personal views and analysis on Zomato IPO. So this IPO is going to launch on 14th of this month and it ends with 16th of this month, 14 to 16, 2 days. So while looking at this IPO size and IPO and their past performance, lot of flaws and lot of negativities are there in this IPO, Zomato IPO, but there are few positivities also in there. So before going to in detail about this Zomato IPO stock, let us give few points about the super fancy trading tips platform which operates through WhatsApp Bible Street. So one is we have one super fans options, so which is meant for giving penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. Such kind of equity stocks will be given through WhatsApp. The price ranges for these kind of stocks will be ranging from 5 paise to 20 rupees only. So you need not trade these stocks, just to buy and stay invested with these stocks. So this is one. And second one is penny options in stock option. Such kind of trading tips will be given through WhatsApp in live market. So this penny option is nothing but the option premiums ranging from 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise up to 90 paise less than 1 rupee. Such kind of trading tips with the entry and target will be given in live market through WhatsApp. The second. And third one is whenever momentum arises in the market, whenever spark arises in a particular stock, so we used to give a low budget option trading tips with entry and target. So low budget means I mean to say that a sum of 500 rupees or 1000 rupees or sometimes 2000, 2500 rupees is enough to take one lot of stock option. Such kind of trading tips with the entry and target will be given through WhatsApp and live market. So to avail these three kinds of trading tips, the subscription is 799 per month. You can remit the subscription either by Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm or Amazon Pay to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So this is one particular super fancy trading tips pattern. And another one is we have super fancy equity. So this is specially designed for those who do not want to take risk at all. Suppose a person is having a sizable investment money, working capital, he doesn't want to take any risk at all. For them, we used to give two kinds of trading tips in equity. One is highly speculative stocks in equity on positional basis with the entry and target will be given. And another one is purely investment calls. They can buy those stocks and hold set for certain periods, say few weeks to few months. Of course, there are some kind of penny stocks in equity will also be given in this group. So to avoid these two kinds of trading tip, the subscription is same 799 per month. So you can payment the same way by the subscription and give your name, place and email ID and details of payment. Then you can immediately join to the either of the super fans group. I advise you to join both of the super fans group. So it is better. You can make a risky earning from options and you can part the earned money in the equity and you can multiply the money in equity. Now coming to this Zomato IPO, the offer size is 9,375 crores. Though they are offering 9,375 crores, their past performance is likewise. Recently they made a loss of 816 crores and previous year they made a loss of 2,385 crores. And summing up these 2 years loss, this will becomes around 3,201 crores of rupees. Now this is when this IPO money 9,375 crores collected money is using to repay the or compensate the loss. Around 34.144% of money from the IPO will be used for the compensating the loss if the company willing to do such. And here people are saying that this is the second largest IPO. The first largest IPO is the SBI card and payment services. Their IPO size is 10,340 crores. 10,340 crores. Here it is the second. The Zomato is 9,375 crores. The offer price is ranging from 72 to 76 rupees and there is a lot. The lot size is 195 and in multiples of 195. And here the quota is likewise the retail investors allotted around 10% and qualified institutional buyers is 75% and non-institutional buyers about 15%. So here this Zomato IPO is trading in the grey market with a premium of 13 to 15%. So people are saying that this will have a 20% premium on listing. It may be around 91.20 rupees, the listing price, the expected listing price. In my calculation, in my prediction, in my analysis, I expect the listing will be around 1 or 2 rupees, and subsequently it will come to a lower level. So as an investor, what you can do, if you are having utmost risk appetite, you can go for this Zomato IPO, because it is a loss making company. The loss making company is coming to the IPO already. It had a 34% subsequent or gross losses are there. So if you are willing to take utmost risk, you can go for this IPO. But people like me, what we will do, we will not go for IPO, applying for IPO, but we will do short sell when this stock is listing on a premium rate. When it reaches to saturation point, we do short sell, and we'll immediately do a momentum trade by covering the stock, and we'll run away from this stock. So this is our style. And after few days of listing, this stock will trade at higher price, and slowly it will come to a normalized rate. The normalized rate in my expectation will be around 76 rupees to maybe the 80 rupees to 90 rupees. So 80 to 90 is the utmost trading range for a speculative trader. So I used to always say that buy at low, sell at high, the inside and outside game. So you can perform the inside and outside game when the stock is trading between 80 to 90 rupees. So this is about the Zomato IPO. Though the company is making continuous loss, though the company is not performing well, and there is a threat is there. If there is a massive third wave will affect the country, will affect the corporate business, this stock will also come down. Yes, there is any other parameters, any other setback happens everywhere, this stock will be affected. Though this stock has this kind of negativities, but this is I seems to view as this stock is a speculative stock, because the loss making company is coming with the second largest IPO. So such kind of things is allowed in the market. So this is a highly speculative stock. If you are willing to do a speculative investment or speculative trade, you can go along with this stock. Otherwise, you can stay away from this stock. So this is about the Zomato IPO. So I request you to subscribe the Bull Street Casino option trading tips and the Bull Street equity equity stocks trading tips. It will help you to enhance your profit consistently. And with respect to Superfans option, in which we give low priced, low premium option trading tips, and we also advise the subscribers when there is no movement, when there is a reversal of the direction, when the script is not performing, we used to advise the subscriber to exit the stock near to the buying price or just below the buying. Just below means 5 paise or 10 paise. So it will not be a great loss to the subscriber. It will not be a great loss to them, their trade. So it will be a negligible loss only. And moreover, we also give the penny stocks and equity to compensate such kind of trading loss, minimum trading, negligible trading loss. So it is better you subscribe to Bull Street Bull Street options, Superfans options trading tips platform, and also subscribe to Bull Street Superfans equity. Thank you very much. I'm Richard.